Alright, go to your spawn, would you? Go to your spawn. You come get me. Come get me. I just got you, come on.
I thought he got you.
No, he didn't get me.
Where did my fucking people go? Damn!
I got a nice grenade launcher to the face. I shot him as he ran up. It's a perfect spot. Unless they got that grenade didn't go off. Reps, you might as well blow it. They ain't gonna get us. You didn't get me.
I must have hit your back.
I'm serious. I'll let you get that one. 1,
Oh, fuck! I need help!
3,
Stop.
4,
Stop.
5, 6, 7,
I need help!
8, 9, 10. I'm gonna chuck. Next time somebody comes, I'm chucking this grenade. I'm just dropping it right in front of them. Might be my son. Well, I think there's a couple of them. That was a terrible grenade. You better run, David! You better run!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, what was that? Oh, my own grenade.
9, 10. What? Yeah, what the fuck? It didn't go off.
Dude! Woo! First time in history, baby! You should have never caught. What are you guys doing? You guys can't come in there and get us?